So what we got here is a Transit Connect installed with a dash camera, so it's a front and back external one with infrared. So that goes outside because you cannot put a back camera on this. And you've got the front camera there, beautifully installed. You can connect to your phone. So the Geon X, it's a 1080p full HD dashcam. So by connecting to your phone, it allows you to check the video and also shows you all previous recorded history. With date and time, you can live view it. Also download it directly to your phone. If you want the Geon X installed on your Ford Transit, see the link down below. Thanks for watching.